Okay, so today we'll be showing a simulation of testing for our board, where this is our board that will be connected to Arduino, and then after we have tried the program, we'll be flashing it, compile it, and upload to the Arduino, and then the Arduino will program our program to the board. So first of all, as you can see here, F will be forward, B will be back, S will be starboard, which means right, P will be port, means left, and red LED will be arm, which is on standby mode, and then blinking red LED means receiving data, and green LED means data received. So now this is what we are going to do. We are going to send data to we are going to simulate of sending data to the board, and then the UAV will fly back. The UAV will fly right, which is starboard, S. So the display will show S, and then we'll send another data, and then the UAV will fly back, which means B, will show B. Yeah. So now we'll upload our file. It's compiling, uploading. Okay, now as you can see, red LED is lighted up, which means it's ARM mode now, which is on standby mode. So next is blinking, it means it's receiving data. And then the green LED has shown data received, and then S is shown, means in starboard. The UAV is flying starboard, which is flying to the right now. Now another data is receiving now, and then it shows B, it means the UAV is flying back now, and then it goes back to ARM mode. So that's all for today. Thank you.